What's up you guys, hope you're all doing good and welcome to our Dream Dot channel once again. For those who are visiting our channel for the first time, let me quickly introduce myself. I'm Jagdish, a software developer with around 10 years of experience. If you are interested in learning Java from the fundamentals, don't forget to subscribe our channel and check out our videos. As you all know, we have started the initiative of explaining the Java concept in less than 1 minute, and today we are going to take about the concepts of data types in Java. And I have a class created and we have a timer on the right hand side. As soon as we start about the concept, we will start the timer. So let's talk about data types in Java. Data types in Java are broadly classified into two types, a primitive and the non-primitive data types. And today we're going to talk about primitive data types available in Java. For typing in the whole numbers, we have a primitive data type called as the integer. You can make use of integer, or you can make use of long, or you can make use of a short, or you can even make use of a byte for storing the whole numbers in Java. What if you wanted to store in decimal numbers available in Java? There are two data types that are used for storing decimal numbers, a double and a float. A double and a float can be used for storing the decimal numbers, like it can store in decimal numbers in Java. At the same time, float also can be used in typing the decimal numbers in Java. For float, you need to suffix it with f. And for a character, you can make use of char is a keyword for storing the characters, where you have to type in the characters within a single quote. There is one other data type called as a Boolean, which takes in the value either true or false. Bingo! Hope you found this video informative. If you really found this video helpful and if you are excited about this video, give this video a thumbs up. We will try to create in more concepts soon. Thank you.